Well, Donald Trump is in the news again, and he has sparked yet another controversy. Now, he has denied publicly that 3,000 Americans did not die due to the Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico. Donald Trump said that by the time he left the country, only 6 to 18 deaths had been reported. Now, he has been slammed for his false remarks by Democrats and Republicans alike. Here's a report.
President Trump came under heavy criticism after he rejected the official conclusion that nearly 3,000 people died in Puerto Rico from last year's Hurricane Maria.
From the beginning, the president's focus was on damage control from a political standpoint, not damage control from a human life standpoint.
Instead, he blamed Democrats for inflating the numbers to make him look as bad as possible. As Hurricane Florence approached the Carolinas, the president picked a fresh fight over the administration's response to the Category 4 storm that smashed into the U.S. territory last September. Puerto Rico's governor last month raised Maria's official death toll from 64 to 2,975 after an independent study found that the number of people who succumbed in the sweltering aftermath had been severely undercounted. Representative Luis Gutierrez of Illinois offered a harsh rebuttal against President Donald Trump after he rejected the death toll. He added that Trump was incapable of empathy and basic human deficiency.
More people died in Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico than died in Hurricane Katrina and that died in the attacks on September 11th. That's not fake news, Mr. President. The temptation is to fault FEMA and the job they did in Puerto Rico, and I want to make clear, individuals at FEMA and FEMA as an agency did heroic work in Puerto Rico, and FEMA is continuing to do that work.
He added that Trump was incapable of empathy. Bureau Report, Republic TV.